Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review, a couple of close-ups of this Ring doorbell camera. Hello again. So a couple of months ago I bought this Ring doorbell camera, and I wanted to tell you a little bit more about it. So I bought it during the Black Friday and it was a good deal. I think the Ring video doorbell, this is second generation together with Alexa. I paid I think about $60, so it was a really good deal. I was thinking about a couple of features that I needed. I had a regular doorbell which kind of started to malfunction, so I was thinking, okay, let's go and have something more sophisticated and have a nice camera over here. Now, after a couple of months, so it's been basically December, January, it's end of January, so 2 months. My first complaint is the battery life is not as they expected. They say that the battery can last about 6 months. Unfortunately, it's been only like 2 months and a couple of days, and my battery is down to 30-something%. So I'm not really happy with the battery. So you can also have two power sources. There is a battery inside, which if you want to charge and recharge, you need to go and take those two screws and then recharge it. So it's not a really big deal. Of course, if it lasts 6 months, it's not a problem. Every 2 or 3 months, it's gonna be kind of headache to do it. So you can also buy additional solar panel, put it on the outside or connect it somehow. So that's one solution to have your battery charge all the time. Or you can just hardwire it, which I don't really want to do because it's just too much work. I bought it because it is battery operated, and I have to say it works really good. The one thing that I like is that it has a nice wide view, so I can see basically this whole area right here. And then whenever somebody rings the bell, it's kind of okay on the outside. Inside I can hear that on my phone. Also, another complaint that I have is that it will tell you that you can record a message.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
So I assume you need to have a subscription, paid subscription, to leave the message, because I'm trying to talk to this doorbell and record a message. I don't know how to do it, and it just does not work. So with this Ring doorbell, I got 30 days free recording of everything that is going on. After 30 days, if you don't want to pay, too bad, you don't get this feature. So all you have to do is just basically count on using this as a regular doorbell, and then you're gonna see the live view on your phone. The only disadvantage is that there is a little delay. So let's say somebody from Amazon is coming to deliver the package, they ring the doorbell, it takes 5 seconds. So by the time you want to actually respond to somebody ringing the doorbell, this person is gone. So you can only use this to see the live view. You can talk to somebody, and picture quality is pretty good. I'm gonna show you that in a second from my computer screen. And I also like that feature that you can connect that Ring doorbell with your desktop computer, so you don't necessarily have to open it on your phone, and you can operate it also from your computer. I also like the feature that my battery is going down right now, and I received email information that the battery is going down, so it's time to recharge it. So I like this feature. Would have been nice if there was like a maybe SD slot on the bottom, so I can slide the card and record those events if I don't want it to pay for it. Right now I just rely on my Wise camera that has SD card inside, and I just record everything 24/7 on the card. So if I wanted to review somebody that was standing in front of my door, well, I rely on Wise camera. So let me show you the footage. So if you think about buying it, you can make your decision. Right now, the retail price is end of January 2024. It's $99. Would I pay $99 for it? No. That's why I decided to wait for Black Friday, and I pay $60 for combo of this Doorbell together with Alexa, which I'm going to review a little bit later. So this is the little screwdriver that comes with that package, and you also get a cable to recharge the camera, and this is micro SD to USB cable. See, as you can see, this camera right now on Ring website is $99. To charge this Ring doorbell, you connect it with the cable in the back, and I have it actually connected to my 2 amp USB station that I have right here. And so far I can see that it's been about maybe 2 hours, and as you can see, this is the indicator of the charging battery. So I'm basically up to half. So I would say probably takes maybe 5-6 hours to charge entire Ring doorbell if you are operating it on the battery. And then if later you decide to go and connect it just with the hardwire, you disconnect it and you have 2 leads over here, and then you need to go and follow the specifications, and then you can have it powered by the regular power and the transformer. So the website is pretty good. Here's the live view. I can click on it, and then I will see my entire outdoor in pretty good resolution. You can enable microphone right here. You can talk, and you can go and check specifications. So for example, now I can see that, and I can already see that my battery right now is at 25%. So now it's going to be a time to recharge it. So that's the biggest complaint that I have, is really the battery does not last long. And I'm in Florida, so low temperature does really not affect the life of the camera. And I was using that in full mode for the first month. But now if I choose to go and see any Ring history, there's really nothing. So you need to pay for the extra protection plan if you want to have that feature. So it's a pretty good camera, but I would not pay $100 for it. I think for $60 I can live with it. Maybe in the future I'm just gonna hardwire it so I don't have to recharge the batteries every 2-3 months, because this is really annoying. And other than that, so far so good. So if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Other than that, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.